So on this beautiful morning, I get the pleasure of being at Extra Perennial Nursery with Ken Kropowski, and we're going to be talking about trilliums. And you certainly have a large selection to choose from, including the Western Novatums over there.
Yes, everybody's familiar with that particular trillium.
And certainly beautiful, but boy, looking at these purple ones here, these are just exquisite. What is the name of these?
This one here is the Propagation trillium. Now, it was named after a Japanese cytologist. That's a person who studies cell structure in plants and animals, and it was named after him.
And it is a rare trillium. It's an unusual one to find.
It's quite unique.
So Ken, tell me about what makes these plants unique in the leaves and the blooms.
Well, on the leaves themselves, they're very wavy. You can see some dark mottling on the leaves. The petals are quite exquisite because they're more of a deep purple-red iridescent color, and they almost glow.
Yeah, they really do. And you said that when we were talking earlier, they can, as they get older, they almost like twist?
Yeah, they have a tendency to twist around here, which makes them even more interesting and very attractive.
So where are they? They're native to this part of Oregon, or what part?
They're actually native to the Oregon-California border area near the coast, and they're kind of in a protected area there.
Now, being that they're an unusual trillium, they do cost a little more than the regular ones, but there's some things you can do. They're an easy plant to grow, but there's some specific soil types you need to put them into.
Yeah, they grow in a moist, humus-type soil, and that's really all they need.
And I love the idea that we'll be talking about this wonderful yellow one here in a minute, but when you buy them, how do they propagate?
These are usually propagated either by division or they can be grown by seed.
So you'll get your own clump in your yard over time.
Yeah, these also form big clumps and large colonies.
Now, the thing that I think is fascinating is this yellow form, which is still a Kurabayashi, called the yellow form. If you let them start going to seed as they clump out, you might get one of these.
Yeah, you will, but there'll be a small percentage that will turn yellow.
So you're not new to growing trilliums.
No. We've been growing these trilliums for over 13 years here at our nursery.
And you do have the yellow form already for sale as well, right?
We do, but they're in very limited quantities.
Wonderful. Well, if you do want to run out to Extra Perennial Nursery, certainly check out the trilliums and all the other great plants they have. And if you do buy a trillium, you'll get a great little handout. And, you know, I'm told that if you can grow the ovatum, you can certainly grow this as well. You can find it here or at Portland Nursery. You can also pick up the Kurabayashi. Ken, always a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thanks, William.